Hi class, it's Miss Smith, and today I'm going to be recapping on the lesson we had today, which is about nouns. What is a noun? A noun is the name of a person, place, thing, or idea. For example, man, California, horse, or happiness. And it is often used with an article, such as the, a, and an. An example would be the cat, a dog, and an elephant. Types of nouns. A common noun refers to nouns that name non-specific people, places, things, or ideas. For example, book, movie, he, she, state. A proper noun refers to nouns that name specific people, places, things, or ideas, and they are always capitalized. For example, the hungry caterpillar, Frozen, Barack Obama, Brittany, and California. Nouns can also be singular, meaning there is only one. For example, cat, dog, computer, and fork. Nouns can also be plural, meaning there is two or more. For example, cats, dogs, computers, and forks. Some tips and tricks to nouns. A trick: you can show possession by adding apostrophe s. For example, instead of saying cat, you can say cat's toy, meaning that the toy belongs to the cat. Nouns can also function as a subject, direct object, indirect object, subject complement, or object of a preposition. And a tip: always try to avoid unnecessary capitalization. And here's a quick video with the Schoolhouse Rock that explains nouns.
Well, every person you can know, and every place that you can go, and anything that you can show, you know they're nouns. A noun's a special kind of word. It's any name you ever heard. I find it quite interesting. A noun's a person, place, or thing. Oh, I took a train to another state. The flora and the fauna that I saw were really great. When I saw some bandits chasing the train, I was wishing I was back home again. I took a train to another state. Well, every person you can know, like a bandit or an engineer, and every place that you can go, like a state or a home, and anything that you can show, like animals and plants or a tree, you know they're nouns. You know they're nouns. Oh, Mrs. Jones is a lady on Hudson Street. She sent her dog to bark at my brother and me. We gave her dog a big fat bone, and now he barks at Mrs. Jones. She's a lady who lives on Hudson Street. Well, every person you can know, Mrs. Jones, a lady or a brother, and every place that you can go, like a street or a corner, and anything that you can show, like a dog or a bone, you know they're nouns. You know they're nouns. Oh, I took a ferry to the Statue of Liberty. My best friend was waiting there for me. He took an early ferry. Went for a walk on the island, you know, and in the middle of summer it started to snow, and I took a ferry to the Statue of Liberty. Well, every person you can know, like a friend or the captain of a ship, every place that you can go, an island or a sea, anything that you can show, like a statue, a ferry, or snow. You know they're nouns. You know they're nouns. Oh, I put it down in the drugstore record machine. Oldie Goldie started playing, if you know what I mean. I heard Chubby Checker, he was doing the twist and the Beatles and the Monkeys. It goes like this. I put it down in the drugstore record machine. every person you can know. The Beatles and the Monkees, Chubby Checker, every place that you can go. Like a neighborhood or a store, and anything that you can show. Like a dime or a record machine, you know they're nouns. A noun's a special kind of word. It's any name you ever heard. I find it quite interesting. A noun's a person, place, or thing. A noun is a person, place, or thing.
So that was just a fun video about nouns. And now for some activities. So I want you to read the sentences below and identify all of the nouns in the sentence. And you're going to check your answers on the following slide. This is going to be homework, so I want you guys to write your answers down and bring them to class tomorrow for credit. And so number 1, a young girl brought me a very long letter from the teacher. Number 2, the hairy man shaved on Saturday. Number 3, the hungry monkey ate yellow bananas. And number 4, the blonde girl and boy sat next to each other at lunch. And like I said, I will go over the answers tomorrow in class. Just make sure that you bring it with you. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you tomorrow.